DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly Pidgin English news. I beg, if this one are the first time when you don't take the serious, make you subscribe and follow us for our social media platforms. For website, now www.djntv.news. Make you subscribe there because now there will be summer 24/7 news, no shaking. Then for our YouTube, now be DJM TV. Make you subscribe there too. Then make you not forget to knock your hand for the notification bell. Sake of say, as you knock your hand, anytime we knock this come out, you go always receive us straight and direct for your phone. Again, make you like our page for Facebook, now DJM TV. Then make you not forget to follow us for Twitter, now still DJM TV.
See, man, this matter, I not just it vex me as a servant of God, as a prophet of God. This matter they vex me. I don't know whether this may be animal. I don't know whether then God creates una all these governors. It be like say una nowhere because my 12 years old son just they tell me now say the governors they sick. Say me they go test them for mental disorderliness. 12 years old pikin. Now they talk now. How now keep palliative where they make for people now keep many of them don't they spoil now they create all these governors now nowhere. Now be human being like because people they keep una quiet. Now they mad. Are you people crazy? Are you people? Is something wrong with these governors, these Nigeria people? Are you people okay? I can't just imagine it. These are things that are made for human beings. People who were suffering, were under lockdown, and you lock these things in various warehouses. Do you have conscience? Are you animal? I'm beginning to think that Nigeria politicians are not normal human beings. That is the truth. You guys are not normal. You guys, something is wrong with you. This is not what you bought with your money. This is not your personal hard-earned money. This is the thing that were donated to the state, to the people. Things that should have been given to them. You could keep them in storehouse and lock them. Look at some of the warehouse that was busted by the people. Some of the things are already almost getting to expiring date, and it was written on them, not for sale. Una nowhere. All these governors, now they crazy, una nowhere. I'm a man of God, I'm a prophet of God. I respect people of authority, but I don't deserve respect. Not the mad. This governor, something is wrong with all of you. That is the truth. You guys need to be tested, except you are not aware that these things were kept in your state. Come on now, for crying out loud. Who does such a thing? Who does such a thing? How can you lock things up in the warehouse? These are things meant for the people. You lock them up. You lock them up, even with the high price of rice and things in the market. Commodity is so high, and you sat down there knowing that things are locked up somewhere. Come on now, we have been keeping quiet. We can't go to the street, but we will talk. You guys, something is wrong with all of you. If you don't know, I want you to go do a personal mental examination. All these states where they have discovered all these things you kept, this palatable, whatever that was made for the masses that you've kept, go to the hospital, go yourself, go to the psychiatric hospital of your state, go pay for self-evaluation. Tell the medical doctor that you came, that they should check you if you are okay, if you are mentally sound. Because a man that is mentally sound will do what these governors are doing. I think this was just few things. But now we are beginning to see that Nigeria's situation is worse than we think. This is so... I'm heartfelt, I'm heartbroken. Can I talk to you, some of these governors? Mark my word. If what you are doing, you continue, your children will beg. They will beg, except God is not living. Your children will beg. I'm shocked. You know the one that shocked me at those states? I'm shocked. I'm shocked to my bone. That those states could be kept. I'm shocked. I'm surprised. Look at Calabar. Look at Kwara. Look at Lagos State. Look at what is this? Ilori, what is your problem? Governors, this one not be una mama property, not be una papa, or not be una inheritance. This is taxpayers' money. Some of this money came from international community who made donor, who donated. You guys go for medical evaluation. These governors are mad. They are not okay. Let's be sincere. Listen. Me, I don't care. You guys, something is wrong. Una head something is poor inside. That's just the truth. Now just they wear bada, they wear coat. Now not they no man. Because who they no man not go fish sit down, make pikin they hungry, make neighbor they hungry. This one not be saying on our own. It is not your personal property. Something that belong to everybody. Una go keep on for warehouse. Something make una go psychiatric hospital. These governors, we need to examine una. I think one of the things that should be done when any man is vying for political office, they should first of all ask for his mental fitness. He should do mental checkup. Listen, we will get independent doctor to check them mentally because some of these governors are not okay. Something is wrong with them. They have mental problem. They are psychophants. They are not normal because no normal human being will do this. You are keeping these things in the warehouse. Listen, a bag of rice is about 38,000. Some is 43. Some bag is 46. And you are keeping them. Look at cartons of Indomie. Look at rice. Look at yam. Look at what's it called? Beans. Look at many things he wears. I fear you guys. The issue is not just with Buhari. I think every one of these guys, something is wrong somewhere. Sincerely speaking. Me, I won't keep quiet. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. I don't think it's only few, if it's not all. Ah, my God. Something is wrong somewhere. How can you go and keep something in there? We were thinking that, okay, we have been agitating NSAS. This is not just NSAS. This is more than NSAS. I think listen, I want to speak to the youth. The peaceful protest have achieved its purpose. It has exposed these people to us. With this protest, we have known that we have animals in uniform. We have known that we have heartless people. These are blood suckers. These are blood suckers in uniform. These have exposed to us that the people we call honorable are not honorable. They are horrible. They are horrible members. They are not honorable. The people we call your excellency, they have no form of excellence in them. They have no form. They are all the same. They are just deceiver. They come on TV to pretend to us that they are different. They are not different. If you could keep palatable that is meant for people, palliative that is meant for people to end their suffering, to ease the suffering of the masses, you could hold them. Because you know what they do? They will buy fresh bag. They rebag them. They sell them. What are you looking for? Governors, we know so now corrupt now. You are all corrupt people. The security votes they are giving you in a month is your children will not finish it. What will be our problem? Not ever suck us, rich. Have you people not suck Nigeria? You have sucked the flesh. You have drunk the blood. Do you want to now eat the bone? You want to eat our bone? You are sucking our blood. Is it not enough? Is the blood not enough? The blood you are sucking out of the people, is it not enough? You want to eat the bone? Only 1 month. Security votes of how many millions? Is it not enough for you guys? What will be your problem? What is your problem? You are awarding contract to your people is not enough. What do you people want, sir? Do you people want us to just come and give ourselves to people as slave? What is you people's problem? You are still keeping things that you are supposed to share. Not be your papa money, not be your mama money. You are just a civil servant. A governor is a civil servant. I think Nigeria, let me warn Nigeria people. Now I'm moving too much. The respect we give to this governor. You see a governor is going out, it's raining. A policeman is holding umbrella for the governor. The governors other country hold their umbrella. President hold their umbrella by themselves. We are too much giving these people honor. They don't deserve our honor. They don't deserve our respect. They are not honorable. They are horrible people. You guys are not honorable. What is in this life? You got to die one day and leave all those things. What is your problem? What will you be remembered for as a governor of a state? Come on now, this protest is orchestrated by God. It has come to expose you guys that no one among you is good. That's just the truth. We have only a few states now that we have not discovered. I know that the governors of those states now, they are going to put more security so that it will not be discovered. Unanya go open. Una nyash go open. Una nyash go open. Make una the keeper. Una children go hungry for this country. No, una no go there. Una children go hungry. Mark my word. I'm speaking by the voice of the Lord. I speak as a weeping prophet. I speak in the name of Jesus. What you make happen to others, it will happen to you. If you like, keep billions for your children. If you like, keep millions for your family. Your children will go hungry. You politician, you governor, you special advisor. They make you special advisor on COVID-19. Now you want to make billions out of the people's life. You want to make billions. Listen to me. COVID go kill you. Waiting past COVID now go kill you. Una way go they keep all those things for where make you roti. Waiting past COVID go kill una. God deal. Now the thing say God not dey. Una just say no God. As una just they live una life. They carry security. They pass everywhere. They terrorize people. We know. I don't tell una. We know the fear una again. You have broken the fear. The fear is gone. Except there is no God. There are people you can't touch. God will kill you. Una not they sleep. One not dey una belly. Una not they think. Even though una dey caught. Una not see they think. Even though una make covenant with devil. Una not get una own mind. And you go they keep things where they say they take feed people. Una not well. Who do I not aware? I know that many governors will come and deny the fact that they are not aware. Truly, many may not be aware, but they are special advisors and commissioners. Una way do I mark my word today. Mark my word. Bible says, hand joined to hand, the wicked will not go unpunished. Mark my word. Your children will suffer. Oh, you think you are securing their children? There was a time that money fed them in Egypt. Money will fail your family. Children will suffer. There will not be peace in your family. What hunger you make happen to other people, God will make it times 7 in your life. You think you are wise? You think you are wise? Heaven and earth will be against you. I prophesy it in the name of Jesus. God will judge all of you. God will judge all of you. You will not escape. All these wicked governors, these wicked commissioners, special advisor that had in mind to go and keep what is meant for the people. You know the people are suffering. You see that they are suffering. You have mind. You were in your house. You were eating in your house. You were eating chicken, eating meat. You were enjoying your house. And things that are meant for people, you kept it. Listen, cry will not finish in your house. Hungry will not finish in your house. You will pay. Listen, when your calamity will come, you will not know what before you. The children you think you are securing their future, mark me, they will not have a future to live. I'm speaking in the name of Jesus. I know many people are afraid. Pastors are afraid. People are, okay. Now don't kill the fear. We know the fear. Now only one person they keep person. We don't. That's why they show my fear. We know the fear because God go ask you now. Now head not correct. This one will happen. So this peaceful protest will happen. So it's just a sign to tell you that the people have woken up. They have woken up. We teach on our well. No, son are not well. And we don't know say that mad people with the alert. Mad people now they print poster. Mad men where they go print poster. They put for everywhere. Mad people where they do campaign. No wonder now the key just to enter there. No wonder human life means nothing to you guys. What's your problem? Governors, who are you better than? Some of you governors are not better than these boys who are in the street. You can't stand them when it comes to education. Some of you bought your result. You think we are not aware? Some of you are dropouts. You can't even defend yourself. Some of you, when you were doing your governorship debate, you couldn't even speak. You have nothing upstairs. Some of you are daft. You are just there by privilege because of God for that reason. If we live in a society where justice and equity reign, some of you will not even smell. You won't smell that office. What do you know? Who are you? Are you not grateful? You have eaten your own. You want to eat hundreds of people. What is your problem? You are depriving over 1 million people of their right. You are adding it to your own. You are building your life with people's sweat. These things were donated by men like you overseas. Come on now. Some of these people who make this donation from US and from Europe, they are just human beings like you. What's your problem? What's your problem? Come on, some people should think. Some of you should begin to think. We are not living here forever. Are we going to be here forever? Whether they are World War, the Zikiwe, whether the whole of that, are they not gone? Are we going to be here forever? Abasha, is it not gone? What's your problem? How can you be so callous? How can you be so wicked, heartless? You are heartless. You are wicked. And you come publicly, you are mentioning the name of God. You don't know God. You guys are bad. You guys have mental problem. My 12 years old son said, Daddy, relax. Those guys have mental problem. 12 years old, their generation is coming for you. I'm telling you, There are generation that is coming. You think this one you are doing with us? There's a generation that is coming. So sophisticated generation that is coming that will find a way to fight for justice. Nigeria belongs to all of us. No governor have Nigeria more than me. Because we call you guys first citizen. We are not first citizen. I'm not last citizen. You are servant. You are first servant, not first citizen. This is a problem we have in Nigeria. Call them first citizen. They go to occasion, you are calling them first citizen. Which first citizen are they? They are servants of the people. They are there to administer what we put in their hand. It's not their father's riches. You know the problem with us, Nigeria? A governor come to a state and after some time he tie a road and people go to thank him for tying the road. Shut up. This is a problem with Nigeria. You are thanking a governor for tying the road. Did he tie the road with his father's money? Is that not why he was elected? That's a problem. They give you transformer. You go to tell them thank you. You buy goat. You buy things. Oh, the governor is coming to come and commission transformer. Are we not ashamed? Which country commission transformer again? Which country commission transformer? You are commissioned a 1 kilometer road. Look at some of the governors going to commission a wooden bridge. A wooden bridge. That's not to a 100-feet bridge. Nonsense. You think we are all daft? I've traveled many countries. I've been to many nations of the earth. I've seen things for myself. What's your problem, guys? What's your problem? These governors, these commissioners. You are supposed to be human beings. Some of you came from a poor background. You know what poverty is. Now you are pretending. We voted you there not as king. You are not our king. You are servant. Governors are servant. You are not king. Who told you are king? You are servant of the people. Commissioners are servant. You are driving on the road. You are pushing every vehicle away. And we'll keep you quiet. What's your problem? You break traffic law. Nobody's asking you. Come on, Africa, let's wake up. People we elected, they are not our king. We elect them to represent us. They are our servant. They are public servant. A governor is a public servant. A president is a public servant. They are not better than anybody. They are not better than me. They are not better than my children. Their children are not better than my children. We have over-exalted you guys, and you are taking it for granted. Generation is coming that we ask you. God will raise it. He will raise it. What's your issue? Can you go build a warehouse and you are packing things there for the people? What does it take you to share those things? Don't you have enough food in your house? Have you not stolen enough? You are stealing every day. Is it not enough? Is it not enough? What's your issue? We won't keep quiet. Those of you who are benefiting from it, I know you will talk. I know you will talk because you're benefiting from it. Go ahead. But God will ask you. There is a God who lives in heaven. You can't bend the hand of justice. The God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, who brought Israel out of Egypt, he will bring Nigeria out of your hand. He will bring them out. You are storing them. Store them. Store them. Your own go, it will happen to you. God go visit you now. And I go know say God they heaven.
For the ongoing time when I don't say they deal with us. And because he gets other country, correct country people, when the people say that they support us, that they support us with so many things. Now, the first one I want to first knock in name, so let me Arize Agolonu. Inside there, we still get favor Olamide. And that dollars bill, GKH Foundation, Cheesy, Umwadike, If That TV, and Anointed Lady TV. Una too correct. So I give una big buzzer for all the support una don't they give us all this time. For others now, when I not physically call the name, it not mean say una they support us, una still do well. So make una continue they support us so that we go continue the summer una hot news as them they share it. Now listen for hot news matter. Then they see DJM TV. So I beg make una continue. They subscribe to our YouTube channel. When we DJM TV, and make you not forget to knock out for the notification bell once you don't subscribe. Again, make you follow us on Twitter, now DJM TV. And also for Facebook, make you like our page now DJM TV. And the big of them all, 9B, our website will be www.djmtv.news. There. Now 24/7 within the NAC news. So like I talked before, and here we will draw the curtain. Until next time when we go come again, come nakuna the hot story as don't share it. My name now Stanley Okocha.
DJM TV.